This is Mr. Salemi with a video on how to make a graph. And the way we're going to make graphs is we're going to create a table of data and turn it into a graph. So here we go. So we communicate information using graphs. So what we do is we observe something like this car going 1 meter in 1 second and 2 meters in 2 seconds and 3 meters in 3 seconds, 4 and 5. We observe that. We make a table with time in one column and x in the other. Really should say x in meters here. In the other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we make a graph using this data. So that's how we make a graph. So let's keep going and make some graphs. Again, we are capturing the data over here. At 1 second, it's gone 1, at 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So that's the problem. I want you to make a graph using this data. Whoops. So we make a table with the data, and then we draw the graph. So how do we do the drawing of the graph? So let's take a look at that. Here's our table on the left, and here's our graph on the right. So in our class, time is always going on the bottom. So this is seconds down here. And then x, how far the thing has traveled, is going up the top on a position graph. We'll see there are other kind of graphs with different verticals, but for us right now, x is over here and time is over here. So we get the data from the top row and we go over to 1, and then we go up to 1 and we make a dot. Then we go to the second row, we go up to here and make a dot. And we just keep doing that row by row till we've got all our dots. And then when we have the dots, we draw a line. And that's how we make these graphs when we're given data. That's how you see how you read them too, but this is how we make them. All right, so what if you don't have all the data for all the seconds? You can still make a graph. So here's an example. We've got 1, 3, 4, and 5 seconds. We're missing 2. We got 1, 5, 4, and 9 meters for the displacement of x. And so we put down the dots, right? So 1, 1 is here. 3, 5 is here. Here's the 3. 4, 4 is here. And 5, 9 is here. And then once we put down all of those dots, we draw the line. And so this is our line. It goes up to here and then down here and up again. But check this out. It goes down. So what's going on here? How does this X line go down? Well, it goes down when we have the car go backwards. So the car went up here 1 meter. At 3 seconds, it was at 5 meters. But at 4 seconds, it was back at 4 meters. So it went to a negative X direction for 1 second. But then it got its act together and it shot up to 9. So it's up here. So we see here that we have the car go negative a little bit and then go positive. So that's the information we can tell from looking at one of these graphs. So in summary, what we do to make a graph is we capture the data in a table with t in one column and x in the other, and then we draw the graph with t along the bottom and x going up, and read from the table and place dots on the graph, and then draw a line to connect the dots. And that's how we make a graph.